In this video, I'm going to explain how to configure the LaundroSmart Pulses / timer device. So if you just got this unit and you connect it to power, and the unit is not configured for your network, so what you're going to see is something similar to what we're seeing right now, which is basically saying that the unit is in config mode and it didn't connect to any Wi-Fi network, so the IP is unset. So to set up the um, connection to a Wi-Fi network, we need to connect to the unit. So the unit is currently um, running as an access point, and we would need to connect um, from a mobile device or a mobile phone. The process is the same. I'm using my laptop, but the process is the same. So if we look at the networks that is around me, we would spot a LaundroSmart net. The network would be LaundroSmart hyphen 3 number, which is a representation of this unit ID. So we need to connect to this unit. There's no password, and a few seconds. So basically, we are connected from this lab. Unit with, uh, with that connect, we will serve address and set up Wi-Fi connection of the device, one of the wireless network areas. So, and I will open a new tab and go to fixed IP address, which is 1.6.4.1. I would be presented with um, UI represents the Wi-Fi networks that this is around. So I'm going to choose one of the Wi-Fi networks that connect. I'm going to choose this one, and then I need to put in my password. My password and hit save. And if everything is as expected, the device would connect to the Wi-Fi network. Can continue the configuration of the device. So it looks like the device got this IP address on the screen. Let's see if it got, looks like it would just reboot the device.